Jefferson County Court at Law is now in session with special review docket on today's date of September 1st of 2022. First case that we have is cause number 331858. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Kochman Javon Roberts. Mr. Roberts is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Roberts, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Roberts, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Roberts, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
I do.
Mr. Roberts, you may put your hand down. Mr. Roberts, you're here represented by your attorney who is also appearing via Zoom, Attorney Rife Kimbler. Attorney Kimbler, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, Your Honor.
Attorney Kimbler, do you waive a record in this case?
We do.
The state is represented in this case by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Roberts. Okay, Mr. Roberts, have you, did you fill out a form there that your attorney gave to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you have it with you?
No, sir. I can get it though.
Okay, why don't you go ahead on and get that form?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Roberts, in cause number 331858, you have before you a motion to forfeit the weapon, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Roberts, did you sign that document?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Roberts, before you sign that document, did your attorney go over that document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in that document?
Yes, sir.
Hold on a minute. And is everything in that document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Roberts, in that document, the weapon is being forfeited, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
It's a pistol, Your Honor, a Taurus pistol. And I believe it's being forwarded to the Beaumont Police Department.
Okay. And, okay, and I see it's a 9mm Taurus 709 SILM area serial number TJX24615, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court is going to grant that motion to forfeit this weapon. Hey, do you have an additional motion?
The state's going to move to dismiss, Your Honor.
Is this case being dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, okay, Mr. Roberts, this case is going to be dismissed. I'll be signing that dismissal. If this is the only thing holding you in court or in jail, you should be getting out today.
But he has a felony time, Your Honor.
Oh, he does, okay. All right, so Mr. Roberts, this will conclude this case. You still have to serve your time on the felony case. Mr. Roberts, please knock on that door, follow the bailiff, and you have a blessed day.
I'll be excused, Your Honor.
And yes, and you may be excused, and you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Kimbler.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Thank you. Okay, the court will be in